In this video, we are going to learn about how to draw the support and resistance levels in the right way because I was getting so many messages from my subscribers. They do not know about the key levels from where we are going to take our entry and which levels works the best. So today in this video, we will highlight those levels which are good for the entry for the purpose of support and resistance, and as well as you will also learn the price action in this video. So before we start this video, if you want to join the best broker, the link is given in the description of this video. I use this broker for the forex and the crypto trading, right? Okay, so we do not need any kind of indicator for this strategy. We will be using the naked chart. So if I go to this trend line tools, and if I choose the arrow from here, then it means that this is the level that from where the market has get the rejection, that it went down. Okay, now I'm taking another arrow. If you look at here, I have another option that from the same almost same level the market again gets a rejection. So if I choose this a rectangle, and if I mark this point is called the resistance level. The resistance level is always the one where we can find the bearish opportunities. Like for example, it's not a good idea to buy at these levels, and it's a good idea to sell at these levels. And I will tell you when to sell and when to buy by using this strategy, right? First of all, let me delete these two lines because we want the chart to be very simple. Okay, so first of all, you will change the candles to the Heikin-Ashi color like you can see on my screen. So the benefit of Heikin-Ashi candles, when they turns green, it means a uptrend, and when they turn into the red color, it means a downward trend. Okay, so this is the level where the price has get a rejection two times. It means that this level has become very strong. So once the market get a rejection, again it pumped up. So it doesn't mean that when the market comes into this level, then you are going to open the sell positions. This will be completely wrong. So what you will be doing, I'm going to talk about the strategy that you will be taking the short position. Like for example, here the Heikin-Ashi candle turned into red color. Okay, you have taken the entry from here, you have set up the stop loss at the previous high, and then you can target something like if we talk about here, then 2 ratio. Okay, so for example, if I go a little bit here, then you can see we are already on the way towards hitting the 2 ratio. So this is how price action traders call this area as the order block. Okay, so what is order block? Order block means that from where we need to place our bullish or bearish entries. Okay, so this is the one of the chart I have discussed. So let's find other order blocks. Like for example, now I will keep highlighting you. Now you can call them as a resistance as well, and you can call them as the price action order blocks as well. Now you can see, do you agree with me that the price is getting the rejection and it's already going down? Why? Because the price comes at this point, and secondly it hit again the same level, the order block becomes and the resistance becomes, and then you can see the market has seen a downward trend. Okay, so now we will find some other opportunities on other charts so that I can give you more clear picture of the market. Okay guys, here we have another order block and another resistance. Okay, look at this. This is the resistance. But let me tell you, whenever you see a 3 touch, like one touch here, second touch here, and the third time the market is hitting such order block, so always please keep this thing in mind that this order block becomes very weak. So when the order blocks become very weak and it is getting a touch and touch again, then it has a possibility, if it breaks this order block, then it means that, for example, if you are into the sell trade, let's say the red candles become and you have taken a sell entry, but later on again the market pumped up, then you should immediately cut off your position because it has chances that the market can go further into the upward direction, right? Okay, now this is another example of the stop loss scenario. Let me give you, here we had the support. Okay, support means that from where the market was supposed to go up at the same level. Okay, so here we were supposed to looking to go up. What actually happened after making a couple of green candles by Heikin-Ashi, again the price pumped below the below the order block. So this is your stop loss. You will never hold your trades, otherwise you will be in a big trouble, because it has chances that the market can go into the downward direction very badly. So these are the things that you need to take care of them all the time, right? Okay, so for example, let's have a look here. We have another bullish order block. You can call it a sport. One time the market hit that level, the second time hit that level, it was the good entry. So for example, if you have taken the entry, long entry from, let's say here, you have set up the stop loss at the previous low, and then you will be targeting something. You can imagine how much profit you can make. You can easily catch 3.5 ratio on this trade, right? Okay, however, one thing that need to be considered here, if you look at here, we have another level from where the market has get the rejection from this point. If I look at here, if I can show you here, this is the level where the market can get the rejection. So if this order block is unable to break, then guys, please be ready for taking the sell positions on USD/JPY. So be careful about this. But if this order block gets a break and it moves up, then guys, there is no need to go for the any kind of trade, because it can be bullish. Okay, this is the perfect example that the order block get a break here. Okay, so you can see same level, then the second time the market hit it, and then the market simply go up. So it was a good time to take a buy position from this level to up to this level. That was a good time. Okay, so whenever you are going to take trading like this, you can set up a long position, sorry, not a short position. We want to choose the long position here. For example, this order block was break. Now let me give you another scenario. Just below the order block, you will set up your stop loss, and then you will be targeting something like 2 or whatever you want to do. So this is how you need to trade with the proper levels. So guys, rectify your support and resistance levels. In this video, I have taught you about the support and resistance, and as well as I have guided you best that where you can refine your best entries, and I have tried my best to help you, because I am very hopeful if you just follow this video, nobody can stop you from making a successful trader, right? So guys, what do you think about this video? Please must mention into the comment box. My all hard work will be there to help my community who subscribe my YouTube channel. So that's why I always say that always subscribe FX Mentor US, because you will be learning a lot of stuff from the market here, right? So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.